Now, the On Your Side forecast with Marissa Morrison.
In a word, windy. That's what we're seeing today. A lot of wind around the region. There's your live look at downtown Boise. That's the view from the Red Lion Hotel. 69 degrees. So it's pretty unfortunate that we have so much wind because the temperatures are pretty nice. We had some sunshine. It's partly sunny right now. Winds out of the east-southeast at 23 miles per hour. A look at your temperatures and wind speeds around the region. Caldwell, 70 degrees today, but 24-mile-per-hour winds. The winds have died down a bit in Ontario. It's 69 degrees there. The winds are in the teens. As for Mountain Home, 25-mile-per-hour winds now, 69 currently as far as temperature goes. So it's kind of unfortunate we're not seeing a day where you can go and hang out outside because of all those winds, but temperatures getting close to 70 in most places. Current satellite and radar storms staying off to our north. A few going to be entering eastern Oregon the next few hours. We expect some showers overnight making their way through the northern part of the Treasure Valley. But taking a look at Sun Valley today, a lot of sunshine. They're still skiing at Sun Valley. Temperatures getting up to the 50s in town. On the hill, just a lot of sunshine. So getting a little slushy in the afternoon, but still skiable out there. Taking a look at the futurecast for wind. What can we expect? Well, the good news is the winds are going to die down. Winds in the 20s right now for most of the area, but by tomorrow morning, Boise, you could be waking up to some calmer winds. Winds will pick up once again tomorrow and get back into the teens, but we'll have calm to light winds throughout the day. But we are exchanging that for some rain. Taking a look at our futurecast. So this is right about now, some storms entering the eastern Oregon area. Tonight about 11 p.m. the Weiser area in Ontario, McCall area could see a few rain showers, but by tomorrow, Boise and the lower part of the Treasure Valley expecting some of that rain. The Caldwell area, Boise area around 10 a.m. So not a sunny Sunday in store, and then we'll have showers off and on Sunday, even a possible thunderstorm Sunday afternoon, and then on Monday, this is 10:30 a.m. on Monday, more snow in the central mountains, rain throughout the Treasure Valley. Eastern Oregon also expecting some snow in the upper elevations. So I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but we're in a spring-like weather pattern, so we're expecting showers off and on all next week. Tomorrow, slightly cooler, 60 degrees, partly cloudy skies, scattered showers, and then a possible thunderstorm in the afternoon in Boise. So cooler conditions across the board in the Treasure Valley, but one thing we can look forward to, less wind tomorrow. 63 in Vail with that chance of showers, 62 in Emmett, 62 in Caldwell, 61 in Kuna, and 62 in Mountain Home. A little bit breezy, wind speeds around 10 miles per hour, but not the gusts we saw today. In the west central mountains, snow at 7,000 feet, 54 in Idaho City, 57 in Council. McCall a bit cooler, 47 degrees in McCall, 50 in Cascade. In the east central mountains, rain and snow, a possible afternoon thunderstorm, 45 in Stanley, 54 in Fairfield, 51 for the high in Sun Valley. In the Magic Valley, a chance of showers, a little bit breezy again, 63 in Twin Falls, 62 in Shoshone, and 62 in Burley. So taking a look at our extended forecast, chance of showers all for the next week. So kind of unfortunate, but our temperature is also a little bit lower. Like I said, it's pretty upsetting that today we had the warmest temperatures, a little bit of sunshine. We're exchanging that for rain and some cooler temperatures tomorrow. But if you can bear the wind, today would be the day to get out and enjoy some warmth.
Yeah, enjoy the sunshine before it's gone. All right, thank you, Marissa.